Hello, and welcome to another photo editing tutorial. For those who are new here, my name is AlexTara, and I post weekly tutorials on photo editing techniques using Photoshop, Affinity Photo, and other softwares that I can lay my hands on. So if you have any suggestions, please comment below. This week we will use Affinity Photo and we will do this panel. You need to go on File, New Panel. Let's add the images, select all the images, and as you can see, there are raw images. Hit open and then stitch Panorama. This will analyze quickly the images and it will stitch to give you a preview of the panel. Okay, did a good job. Now let's confirm this. Hit OK and let the computer do its stuff. And now you'll see exactly what this is doing. Basically, it's taking all the images, trying to overlay them and connect the panel. Now, with this done, let's crop the image a little bit. Select the crop tool, and I think right here is good. And to include, to not include, this is the question. Okay, let's include a little bit the building on the extreme and double click or enter to confirm the cropping. I could live with this. Let's see, hit apply, and let's see what's happening. And I can start to see some issues here. Overlapping hue. So let's take the healing brush. You can find it here, or just click J from your keyboard. Healing brush tool. We have opacity 100%, flow 100, hardness 49 is good. And I'm using a mouse for now, so hold the Alt and just click next to your area where you want to borrow the pixels. Okay, and let's see what else. Okay, here we have some issues. Let's make it smaller. Click, and let's start from here. Okay, and because the hardness is lower than 50%, this is going to be a soft tool. So you'll not do like very harsh editing. This is going to be easier. And that's nice. Now, let's zoom out. And it's looking good. I think we can add some adjustment layers so we can do the levels. And can take this, little bit the blacks, then layer, adjustment layer, exposure. And let's expose the picture. Let's select this. And I think this is enough because it was a lovely morning. The colors were very warm. And yeah, that should be it. Let's see what else. What else we can do to this image. Guys, when you take your camera into the field, please check it first and see if you have any spots, any dust on your sensor. Now I have a lot of dust spots here, so I'll try to get rid of it very fast. Of course, click the image and not the adjustment layer in order to get rid of the spots. And I have a lot. Now, if you're using this image just for I don't know, Instagram or something like that, they're not going to see the spots. But to be honest, if you print this one, you'll have a very, very big disappointment. And I don't know about you, but my mouse seems to be lagging since I've upgraded to Monterey is the new operating system. Don't know the name. But there you go. It's a little lagging and I have some issues with the mouse. Sometimes the scroll is not working, so I need to close the mouse and open it again. Okay, come on. And I think that's it. If I have more, they're not noticeable. Sheesh. I think next time we need to do a tutorial on how to clean the sensors of a DSLR. Please comment below if you're interested and I can show you how to do it. Easy peasy. Okay. And to be honest, I'm very happy with this image. Really, really like it. So if we look at the document, where is it? Let's see, resize document. We have 12,805 pixel by 4,481 pixels. Big, big picture. Okay, and I think that concludes our tutorial for this week. If you liked it, consider subscribing, hit the like button, hit the bell to get notified when I upload more videos, and if you have any suggestions, please comment below. Until next time, take care.